Okay, sorry, this I will explain again. Three circles are there from the
Yeah.
center, exactly double to the radii. From the center, more than the double radius. Suppose it is 3, exactly double 6. This is 3, more than double means more than 6. This is 4, less than double, exactly double, more than double, less than double. Double of what? Radii. At that time,
So,
yes, ask.
so that measurement they will give in question.
Yes, yes, yes. But in my word, you listen my word that not they will give 3 and 6. They will give double of radii means this position. More than double of radii means this position. Less than double of radii means this position. And every time to draw two tangent, you need perpendicular bisector. You need perpendicular bisector. This is perpendicular bisector. This is perpendicular bisector. This is perpendicular bisector. So when it is exactly double, perpendicular bisector will be touching to the circle. It will be a tangent to the circle. When it is more than double, so the perpendicular bisector will be outside the circle. When it is less than double, it will cut the circle. Second, tangent outside. When it is exactly double, it is a tangent. When it is more than double, outside the circle. When it is less than double, inside the circle. These are the question, these are the answer. And now, very intelligent question. If you are drawing two tangent to the circle, you have drawn two tangent from a single point, and this is given 60. Two tangents you have drawn, angle between two tangent is 60. Question is, how much will be the central angle? So join this
Just
and
maybe
this. This is the
something.
central. Okay, now.
No, still a blur.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll write in that much only. You don't worry. The angle between two tangent is 60 degree. Find out central angle. So this is a tangent. So tangent always it is 90. So now in a quadrilateral, out of 4, 3 are given. 90, 90 indirectly given. 60 is given. Sum of this is 90. Array, sum of this is 90 plus 90, 180. So this should be also 180. So always reduce this from 180. So it is 120. Reversible question. Circle is given. Draw the angle of 100 degree and draw two tangent. That is a pattern in the exercise number 2. So when you will draw two tangent, so what will be the question? What will be this angle? Angle between two tangent is given. So subtract from 180. Now central angle is given and opposite angle we want. So again, because this is 90, 180, so this is also 180, so this is 80. Now, we are, suppose for this, how we draw single tangent from here 1, 2, 3, 4. But without using center, at that time we draw triangle. Then first mark here, second mark here. From your third mark here, from your fourth mark here. This. So my question is, when we draw a tangent without using center, so which geometrical theorem we are using? At that time, they will give Apollonius, Pythagoras, inscribe angle theorem, midpoint formula, angle bisector formula. Which? So that is inscribe angle theorem, because this angle inscribed by this arc is exactly equal to this. If it is 100, so this is 50. If it is 100, so this is 50. On that base we have drawn. So the answer is, final answer is, inscribe angle theorem base. We can draw the uh, tangent to the circle without using center. Now, one very good example. Again, two tangents we are drawing. From the end point of the chord, when you draw two tangent from the end point of the chord, which type of the triangle always create? We always which type? So we have learned that when we draw two tangent from outside, these are always congruent, and that theorem I mark very important, 3 star. So anytime these two are equal, these two are equal, these two are equal, these two are equal. So always it form isosceles triangle. That answer you have to write. Now on last exercise question, very good question, MCQ question. Triangle ABC, similar triangle. PQR. So AB by PQ is equal to 7 by 5. This much is given, and the question is what? That triangle PQR, 3 option, will be exactly equal to ABC, larger than ABC, diminish of ABC. So AB 7, but compared to that PQ in ratio wise it is 5, less. Compared to ABC, side of PQR is less, so it is diminished, not enlarged, not magnifying. In another way, suppose AB by PQ is 3 by 7, for example. So triangle PQR will be magnifying or enlarged. From the side comparison, whose side? See, of this it is 3, but compared to that, its side is 7. So increasing, when it is increasing, it will enlarge, magnifying. Compared to this triangle will be greater. So you have not to draw from whatever you have done in construction. From that they can ask the question. That type of the questions I am. Now from this chapter, one very important sentence that they can ask as a MCQ. Draw a circle, draw a radii. From the end point of the radii, draw the tangent. These are the instructions. You have not to draw. What is the relation between that radii and that tangent? Radii and tangent. What is the relation? Always we are drawing tangent. So radii and tangents always are perpendicular to each other. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent line, and tangent line also it is perpendicular to the radii. Next question. Distance of a tangent from the radii. Yes. Same question. Circle given, one radii given. From the end point you have to draw the tangent. Now this point is C. The line is AB. the distance of line AB from the center is how much? They have not given the distance, but always it is how much? How much? C is the center, P is the touching point, AB is the line, and we know that AB is always perpendicular to CP, or CP is perpendicular to AB. That is the one example. Second rule. What is the distance of tangent from the center? Listen the question. What is the distance of line of tangent from the center of a circle? Always it is exactly equal to the radii. This much is the distance. So always tangent is from the center at a distance of radii. So the distance of line of tangent from the center is radii. Now one more question. That is I don't know, otherwise central angle is 90, or the angle between two tangent is 90. Central angle is 90, or tangent angle, two tangent, that angle is 90, or a central angle, that is 90. So at that time, which type of the quadrilateral will form? We will join this radii also, we will join this two tangent also. This is the center, this is the outside point, and these are the touching point. So ACBE, that is quadrilateral of which type? So these two are equal, and outside these two are also equal. This is 90, so naturally this is 90 because total 180, and tangent radii always 90. So whose all angle are 90? First of all, it is a rectangle, not square. If all the angles are equal, you cannot say it is square. All 90 means not square. But if length and breadth both are equal, means any two adjacent sides are equal, then it is square. So when central angle is 90 and two tangents you are drawing, or the angle between two tangents is 90, at that time the quadrilateral is formed, is always square. Don't write any. You can't write rhombus even, because in rhombus only sides are equal. Here sides are equal, angles are equal, so 100% it is only square. Square is a rhombus, but rhombus is not a square. Square is a rectangle, but rectangle is not a square. So the final answer, if they will give three options, rhombus, rectangle, square. So if you write that all angles are equal, I will write rectangle. No. If all the sides equal, I will write rhombus. No. The perfect answer, all sides and all angles are equal, then it must be a square, not others. So around 45 questions I have discussed. So these are the minor points and very important that will be useful in calculation, for reasoning, for formula, and especially for MCQ. So I have specially prepared around 45 questions, 20 from GST, 15 from construction. See, without asking any this drawing, they can ask this type of the questions. Which base statement you are using while drawing the construction? So max to max you have to concentrate on MCQs, because 40 MCQs will be come in joint maths exam of first semester. Maybe if the scenario will not be clear, you will get MCQ exam of board from home. They are trying their best. That let's see the present situation. But we will prepare for both, for writing paper also, for MCQ paper also, and for 50-50 also. But definitely 25% reduce, and MCQs will be 50% of each and every. So it definitely it will going to be very beneficial in all the subject, especially in maths. Okay, so a student demand some one more pankti are there. Life should not be always smooth going. उतार चढ़ाव आते रहते, देखो ये ऑल ऑफ सडन आया, पूरी लाइफस्टाइल चेंज हो गई, पूरा एज पर रेगुलर शेड्यूल भी चेंज हो गया। तो हमेशा एक सरीखा चले ये नहीं चलता है। तो उसमें भी क्या पॉजिटिव दिखना है कि जीवन में तूफान जीवन में तूफान आए ये भी जरूरी है। जीवन में तूफान आए ये भी जरूरी है। पता तो चले हाथ पकड़ने कौन आता है और हाथ पकड़कर हाथ छोड़कर कौन जाता है। और एक आगे भी मैंने एक स्टोरी कही थी कि टीचर पे विश्वास रखो। टीचर जो भी आपके लिए करेगी, those they will take the action or whatever they will work out for you, it 100% it will be beneficial। बहुत बहुत तूफान आता है और एक छोटी सी बच्ची अपनी पापा के उंगली और हाथ पकड़ के चल रही है, बारिश बढ़ रही है, पानी बढ़ रहा है। तो बेटी ने कहा पापा मैं आपका हाथ छोड़ देती हूँ, आप मेरा हाथ पकड़ लीजिए। तो बोले दोनों एक ही बात है, तू मेरा हाथ पकड़े या मैं तेरा हाथ पकड़ू, दोनों एक ही बात। तो बेटी ने समझा दोनों एक ही बात नहीं है। मैंने पकड़ा हुआ हाथ डर के मारे पानी के बहाव में मैं छोड़ सकती हूँ, आपने पकड़ा हुआ मेरा हाथ कितनी भी मुसीबत आए, कितनी भी झंझावात आए, कितना भी तूफान आए, कितनी भी बाढ़ आए, आप नहीं छोड़े। तो एक बेटी का जैसे विश्वास होता है पापा पे, फादर पिता पे, इतना विश्वास आप शिक्षक पे रखो। अगर वो आपको डांटेगे भी, अगर वो आपको मारेगे भी, तो आपके करियर को ऊपर लाने के लिए फॉर योर वेरी हाई पॉजिटिविटी विदाउट एनी इंटेंशन, सबको बड़ा ही आदमी बनाए। तो बड़ा आदमी बनना ये अच्छी बात है, लेकिन उससे भी अच्छी बात है, एक इसका एक अलग सेंटेंस है, अच्छा आदमी बनना बड़ी बात है, और उससे भी बड़ी बात है अच्छा आदमी बनना। फॉर प्रोग्रेस देयर इज नो लिमिट, यू कैन नेवर satisfied yourself till end of the life, you have to learn, you have to progress। उस पे एक बहुत अच्छी लाइन है कि सीढ़ियां उन्हें मुबारक जिसको सिर्फ छत तक जाना है। सीढ़ियां मीन्स द प्रोग्रेस, द मॉडल ऑफ प्रोग्रेस, द सीढ़ियां उसे मुबारक जिसे सिर्फ छत पे जाना है। मेरी मंजिल तो आसमान है, रास्ता मुझे खुद बनाना है। सो यू हैव टू डू एवरीथिंग फॉर यू बाय यू। ओके, कोई रेडीमेड आपके मुंह में निवाला नहीं डालेगा कि सिर्फ आपको च्यू करना है, च्यू भी करना पड़ेगा एट दी एंड। तो ट्राई टू क्रिएट वट एवर यू वॉन्ट फॉर योर सेल्फ, डोंट डिपेंड ऑन अदर्स। ऑल द बेस्ट, थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू।